How to insert a clickable list in Craigslist. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can insert a clickable link in Craigslist, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to insert a clickable link in Craigslist, first of all, go to craigslist.org and you have to insert your link while you're creating a posting, right? So basically, I'm just going to click the create a posting option here. Once I go to create a posting option over here, you're going to be taken to this page. When you're on this page, of course, you want to simply select whatever else you're actually trying to sell over here. Click on continue. I'm going to just click on it and then just click on this option, and inside description, let's say you want to insert a certain link, and next time if someone views your post, you want the link to be clickable so that when they just click on it, it will open the link in a new tab. Now let's say that you want to insert a link to Facebook. What you do is just type in www.facebook.com, right? But the problem here is that this link is actually not going to get clickable. The reason it is not going to be clickable is because it is not going to have the default SSL, which is the HTTPS. So if you want to make this link clickable, before this www, you have to include HTTPS, then you have to put in colon, and then you have to type in double slash. Once you do that, here you can see the complete URL, and if I just copy this and then if I just open it on my new tab, you'll be gone to the facebook.com URL or the link that you want to create. So basically you have to make sure to enter HTTPS colon slash slash. I'll also make sure to leave them down before the URL that you're typing. Once you've done that, click the continue button and then the link is going to get clickable. But sometimes this could also not work. In that case, the Craigslist doesn't allow it is because they do not want to increase their bounce rate, which means that they do not want people to go away from their site. That is why they don't make the link clickable by default. In that case, you can simply tell the person or in the description to simply copy and paste this link in your browser to basically visit the web browser that you're viewing. Other than that, I see no way out. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down, and see you in the next video.